Do you feel that storytelling is important? If you see Nike ads, all right, if you haven't seen much, go and watch Nike ads. Nike doesn't come up saying that that's the best shoe, run with it. Nike would come up with people running around. Nike would come up with some emotions. At the end, Nike comes as a logo. That's it. No selling of product. Do you feel that storytelling is important? And what is storytelling as per your definition?
Yeah, I think it's absolutely important. I did not understand or realize the importance of it until I met you. But we see storytelling, I think, in every aspect, especially, from the influential people, they use storytelling a lot. And now that we know that storytelling is a thing, now we can relate that the storytelling is how important it is, and it's basically delivering what you want to emphasize or what you want to let them know, but not in a direct way. Make a story or tell it in a way that interests them, and that's by telling a story.
Fantastic. Yes.
Yeah, what is my understanding is if you want to convey something, any topic, supported storytelling is a conviction to convey it.
Okay. Yeah. Nicely put. Wonderful.
Amit, storytelling is nothing but a viewpoint for others to relate to their actual or real story from their life, so they can understand it better.
All right, Seb. Thank you. Thank you all. Storytelling is, let's say I have to sell this USB-C cable, right? I have multiple options. I can tell you what it's made up of, right? The ingredients and what all it can do, the features, right? Now, what happened is, do you know Simon Sinek, the person who wrote the book Why? There's a person called as Simon Sinek, and there's a lot of research done on Apple. Why Apple is more successful in many ways than other companies, right? And the research came out is because storytelling. When Apple puts out a product, if you see Nike ads, all right, if you haven't seen much, go and watch Nike ads. Nike doesn't come up saying that that's the best shoe, run with it. This is the stitching, this is the comfort layer, this is how much it weighs and stuff. Never. Nike would come up with people running around. Nike would come up with some emotions, and Nike comes as a logo. That's it. No selling of product. It does the same thing. Remember one thing, it's you as individuals, you do not know this, but you are selling yourself every day. We don't realize this. When you go and meet your new clients, when you go and talk to customers, whoever, you are the product now. You are the product. You're selling the other person. See, they will do business with your company, but it's a matter of whether that person is going to put $10,000 or would put $100,000 will also depend upon you and how you work with them. Correct? And that is where the storytelling comes into picture.